You
The
lost
baby's
money.
like, I'm cool.
Benny,
Kinda hard
money
taking
came
the
out of
world
your
in the
pocket.
sequence.
Oh, that's what Draco loves. He just
Oh.
that close to him.
Shakira, don't drag her down here. She doesn't want to come down here.
It's okay. We're all down here. It's good for her.
She has to be a little less forceful. She has to use her words, not her actions.
Okay.
Draco, watch. Watch.
Draco, what?
Draco, watch.
Nope, Shakira, back up.
No, let her keep running. Bam.
Woo!
Ow, I didn't fall that time.
Take that. Don't let him hit you with that.
No, it's cold. Okay, Bob, you do it back.
Here. Come here,
I
Miss
don't, I
Maddie.
don't think she remembers Dylan.
Maddie, come here,
We
honey.
got new people here.
Maddie, come here.
Do you remember? That's Max's brother.
Do you remember Dee?
Dylan.
He was your favorite. Dylan was your favorite, sweetie. Go give him a big hug. Just give him a big hug and then run back to me. You don't want to give him a hug? How about high five?
Hi.
Give me a big hug. Hi, Maddie. Oh, that was a big hug.
Dylan can do some cool stuff. Do you want him to show you one of them if he's not too tired?
I won't get tired for a little
Watch.
Run and do the back.
Can I set it a somersault?
No.
Yeah.
Go for it, love. You guys can do somersaults together.
There's plenty of room.
Shakira has no idea how to do an actual somersault. You can show her.
Do a somersault, Mad.
Maddie, what?
Watch Dee, honey. Watch. Look. Watch. He's going to flip backwards. Watch.
Well, do we need to catch a little man or?
Do a back slide.
Okay, I'm going to come really hard right there, so you might want to watch your fingers.
Don't whine, Jared.
Ready?
Don't whine.
Ready? Set.
Three,
Down
two,
low.
one.
1, 2,
Three.
3.
Woohoo!
You need a twist so you can take off running.
This twist and then boom.
Yeah.
Ah, dang it. I'm letting off.
Draco's like, I can do this.
How do you do a
Oh, that was pretty cool.
He drops on his butt and thinks that's it.
That was a nice set.
Shakira, watch Maddie do it, honey. She'll show you how.
Oh, he just hit himself with the wallet.
They're gonna roll to each other.
Shakira, watch.
Jump.
Woo!
Yeah, have the somersault. Just about got it, honey.
You gotta push off with
Watch
your feet.
Maddie do it. Watch Maddie do it. Go, Maddie.
Run.
Well,
Use your shoulder.
she's like, I'm gonna do a headstand.
There go.
Draco was copying you.
Good job.
It's okay. I can do this. I can kick really hard doing something. He's gonna be the youngest parkour boy ever. Pocky. Dylan's got a pocky.
Rocky.